In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brushstroke design in Canva. If you've ever wanted to create eye-catching artwork or add a unique flair to your projects, this tutorial will guide you through creating stylish brushstroke designs effortlessly. Let's dive in and start with the basics. First, you'll need to open Canva. You can do this by navigating to www.canva.com. If you don't have an account already, it's easy and free to sign up. Once you're on the main page, locate the Create a Design button, usually at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll be presented with an array of template sizes. Choose the one that best fits your project, whether it's an Instagram post, flyer, or any custom dimensions that you prefer. With your template open, it's time to add some elements. Look to the left sidebar and click on the Elements option. This will display a search bar at the top of the section. Type in brush to find brushstroke assets available in Canva's library. Once you've got your search results, scroll down to the Frames section. Here, you'll want to hit the See All link to expand your options. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the available brush frame designs and select one that catches your eye. Click on it, and it will be added to your canvas. You might need to resize this brush frame. To do so, click and drag the corners of the frame until it fits your desired layout and complements your design paradigm. Now, let's personalize it with some of your own content. Head back to the sidebar and click on Uploads. This is where you can upload your images or choose from your previously uploaded files. Once your image is available on the screen, simply drag it into the brush frame you just created. The image will automatically adapt to the shape of the frame, allowing for seamless integration. To enhance the overall visual appeal, let's adjust the background. Click on Background from the Design tools, and you'll have access to a variety of options. Choose a color that complements your image and makes the brush stroke pop. It's important to ensure that the background color matches the overall color theme of your design to maintain a harmonious look. Experiment with different shades until you find the perfect combination. And there you have it, your very own brushstroke design in Canva. This creative technique is perfect for adding a dynamic touch to your digital designs, whether you're crafting social media graphics, presentations, or personal artwork. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more elements and designs within Canva to further embellish your creative projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!